Let's do another very simple question, Let's see how it goes. It says that show that ... A1, A2 keeps going up to AN, form an AP which is defined as. So here they've given us the formula for the AP, and then they said find the sum of this, whatever. So here I know that they said show that A1, A2 keep going is an AP. You keep going. So I'm going to say AN, I would say AN is equal to 3 plus 4N. Then I can say that A1 is going to be equal to 3 plus 4 by 1, which is going to be, I can say that my A1 would therefore be equal to 3 plus 4 by 1 is 4, and then we can have it as just 3 by 4 is 3 plus 4 is 7. And I can therefore say my A2 is going to be 3 plus 4 by 2. Which is going to be equal to 3 plus 4 by 2 is 8, which is going to be equal to 11. And I can even then put my A3, which is going to be 3 plus 4 by 3, which is going to be equal to 3 plus 4 by 3 is 12, and this is going to be equal to 15. So we can say that, we can show that 7, 11, 15, and it keeps going on. This is going to be an AP, okay? Keeps going on. And we can say it reaches AN, which keeps going on like this, okay? And this is an arithmetic progression, okay? And how do we show that? We can say that A is equal to 7, and we can show that D is going to be equal to 11 minus 7, which is going to be equal to 4. Okay, because it is the same difference again, because you say 11 minus 7, you get 4. 15 minus 11, you also get 4. So you show that this formula definitely makes an arithmetic progression. And then now what they want is they want the sum of the first 15 terms. So you can now say sum of 15. You first by saying Sn is equal to n over 2 multiplying 2a plus n minus 1 D. Okay, so it is going to be equal to, you can say S of 15. They said sum of the first 15 terms. Did they say that? Yeah, they say sum of the first 15 terms. So it is equal to 15 over 2 multiplying 2a plus 14d, because you always reduce by 1. So I can say S 15 is going to be equal to 7.5 multiplying 2 by a. In this case, our a is 7 and our d is 4. So we can have 2 by 7 plus 14 by 4. And we can have it as S15 is equal to, here we can have 7.5 outside, and it's multiplying 14 plus 14 by 4 is 56, I guess. Yes, it's 56. Plus 14, this gives us 70, okay? So we can say S15 is 7.5 times 70. What do we get now? We get it as 525. So you can just say 7.5, then you say times open bracket 14 plus 56. You get S15 as 525, and here you have as your solution. You are done. You have shown that this is an AP, so you can say therefore it is an AP, yes, because you had the values being the same, okay, the D. And that is it. Goodbye for now.